Every technological revolution is built on new infrastructure. Electricity-powered industry. The internet connected people. Today, physical AI is transforming the world, but still depends on communications infrastructure that was designed decades ago. Autonomous systems don't fail because they're unintelligent. They fail because they lose connectivity. Today's wireless networks depend on centralized infrastructure, Wi-Fi, cellular, GPS, cloud services. Every one of those creates a single point of failure. In industrial environments, during disasters, or in contested environments, those failures become unacceptable. BleedIO replaces centralized networking with decentralized intelligence. Every connected device becomes part of the communications fabric. Our platform continuously routes around failures, heals itself, and keeps autonomous systems communicating, even when conventional networks cannot. No Wi-Fi, no cellular, no GPS, no cloud dependency, just resilient, always-on connectivity at the edge. AI is leaving the data center. It's moving into factories, warehouses, transportation, defense, and critical infrastructure. Every one of these industries needs communications they can trust. We believe resilient connectivity becomes foundational infrastructure for the next generation of physical AI. Our technology has been protected through an expanding IP portfolio, validated with enterprise customers and strategic partners, and is now moving into commercial deployments across industrial AI, logistics, defense, and critical infrastructure. We're building a software platform designed to scale with every connected device. Most companies are building autonomous machines. BleedIO is building the infrastructure those machines will depend upon. We believe the next generation of physical AI deserves a new communications layer, and we're building it.